Hello, second grade Smarties, and welcome to Fundations Unit 7, Week 1, Day 2. So we are still learning about open syllables and those long vowel sounds that we hear in those open syllables. But before we get started, let's go ahead and do some drill practice with our new open syllable vowel sounds. So we are going to start with the letter Y. I want you to echo what I say. Y, cry, I. Y, baby, E. A, acorn, A. E, me, E. I, high, I. O, no, O. U, pupil, U. U, flew, oo. Now remember, we are hearing those long vowel sounds because if we have a one-syllable word or a multi-syllable word that has an open syllable, that vowel is not being closed in by a consonant, so the vowel says its name. All right, and as always, we are going to do our short vowel sounds and some letters. So I'm going to get those. I believe I got them all. And let's do some consonants. All right, here we go. A, apple, A. E, ed, E. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, V, van, v. W, wind, w. X, fox, x. Y, yellow, y. So this Y is different from the Y that we just did because Y on this card is used as a consonant. On the other card, Y acts like a vowel and it can say I or E. All right, and let's go on to some are controlled vowels. So as always, I'm going to do the first two parts and then I want you to finish the sound. Here we go. A, R, car, R. O, R, horn, or. E, R, her, I, R, bird, You are burn, E-R-I-R, and you are all say, Great job, Smarties. And let us look at some suffixes. So if we see that ES, it says is. If we see that S as a suffix, it can say S or Z. That L-E-S-S says less. N-E-S-S, ness. And I-S-H, ish. Where do those suffixes go? At the end of a base word. All right, Smarties. So the first thing we are going to be doing is a word of the day. So you are going to need your student notebook and you are going to open to page 59. 59. Is it going to focus? There we go, 59. So go ahead and pause the video if you need to. Go get your student notebook and open to page 59. Today, we have a new word of the day, and I am actually going to spell it on my magnet board, and I am going to also spell it on my whiteboard. So I built the word on my magnet board, and I'm writing it on my whiteboard. This is the word shy. Shy. Now, shy is one syllable. So, looking at the word shy, is this an open or a closed syllable? It is an open syllable. So, I would write that O underneath. And I'm also going to put a macron over my Y. That tells me it has a long vowel sound. This is the word shy. What letter sound is that Y making? What letter does that sound like? It sounds like a long I. So that Y can say I at the end of a syllable if it's an open syllable, and it can also say E. But right now we are focused on Y saying I. So I, shy. And notice that I used that vowel card for Y. I did not use the consonant. So this is the word shy. In our student notebook, we are going to be in page 59, and this is a vocabulary word. So this means that this word has a special meaning. What does the word shy mean? If I am shy, that is describing me. I can be shy when I don't know someone. I can be shy when I'm nervous about talking in front of people. So, shy is a word that can describe something. So, on page 59, I wrote the word shy in my sentence because I wanted to make sure that I used the word shy correctly. I was shy on the first day of school. I was shy. That means I was feeling shy. Shy can be a feeling. So I was shy on the first day of school. That means I was kind of nervous and worried about meeting new people. Maybe you have a different sentence you can write. Don't forget my second grade Smarties in Miss Mason's class to send a picture of your finished sentence in Seesaw once you are finished. All right, so our word of the day was shy. All right, so continuing our study, we'll say in those open syllables, we have some other words that can make open syllables, one syllable words. So there are also words that can have two syllables that have an open syllable. But today we are going to focus on making words that have one syllable. So I am going to make the word got. What is the word? Got. G. Ah. What says ah? O. And what says t? T. Got. If I were to clap the syllables in got, how many syllables were there? There was one syllable. The word got is a closed syllable because we hear that short O sound, that ah. We also know it's a closed syllable because that vowel is blocked or closed in by that consonant. What if I wanted to change the word to go? What would I drop? I would drop the T. And now go, it's one syllable, but it is an open syllable. Most open syllables, that vowel at the end of the syllable is going to say its name, unless it is Y. And if Y is at the end of an open syllable, it can say I or E. So this is the word go. It is an open syllable, and that O can say its name. I want you to go ahead and get your magnet board. So pause the video if you need to. Go ahead and get your magnetic board, and we are going to build some one-syllable words that can have an open syllable, a closed syllable, or a vowel consonant E syllable. So go ahead and pause the video, get your magnet board, and then come back to the video. All right, and hopefully you're back. We are going to first spell the word lame. What's the word? Lame. Let's tap it out. L-A-M. Lame. What says ul? L. What says A? A. And what says M? M. All done. What? You're telling me it's not? Why not? Oh, A, I have those letters. That A is saying its name. What busy, bossy letter can make the A say its name? That busy, bossy E. That E is so busy and so bossy, it doesn't even say anything. It makes that first vowel say its name. So lame is a one-syllable word, and it is a vowel consonant E syllable. Lame. Make sure your lame looks like my lame. All right, clear the deck. The next word we are going to build is try. What's the word? Try. Try. One syllable. I. Try. What says t? T. What says R. And it's ending with an I sound. I don't think it's going to be the letter I, do you? What letter can sound like I or E? Those long vowel sounds. The letter Y. Now don't forget that you need that pink tile. Try. I. Try. One syllable, and it's an open syllable. All right, clear the deck. Our next word is trim. What's the word? Trim. Let's tap it. Trim. What says t? T. What says R? What says I. What says M. Do we need to add any other letters to the word trim? No. Trim. Is trim an open, closed, or vowel consonant E syllable? It's a closed syllable because the I is saying the short vowel sound, so and it's closed in by a consonant. So trim is a closed consonant, a closed syllable word. Let's build another word, so clear the deck. This next word is a one syllable word. It is we. 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 Now, this is tricky because I have told you that the letter Y can say E in an open syllable. Now, most of the time, you see that Y saying E at the end of a word. Now, we is a trick word. It's going to have that long E sound, we. All right, we. One syllable and it's open. It is not closed in by a consonant. The next one syllable word is pro. Pro. It's one syllable. O. Pro. What says P? P. What says R? And what says O? O. So it's an open syllable because that O is saying its name and it's not closed in by a consonant. And our last one syllable word is the word scab. What's the word? Scab. Let's tap it. S-k-a-b. Scab. What says S? S? What says K? C? What says A? And what says B? Whoops. B. Scab. Looking at the word scab, is it opened or closed? It is a closed syllable. That A is saying the short vowel sound and it's closed in by that consonant B. That was the word scab. All right, Smarties, and we are going to wrap up this lesson by talking about some trick words. So we're going to practice the trick words that we were introduced to yesterday. So the first trick word that you see is the word ate. What is this trick word? Ate. Not I ate a piece of candy. It is the number word 8. So let's go ahead and skywrite the word 8. Here we go. E-I-G-H-T 8. Remember, Miss Mason likes to make the letters into a rhythm so I can remember how to spell it and put it all together. So I want you to write on your leg 8. E-I-G-H-T. And just for good practice, let's write it on our hand. E-I-G-H-T. What was this word? 8. Here is our next trick word. This is a describing word, so it is an adjective. It can describe a person, place, thing, or animal. What is this trick word? Large. Large. Let's skywrite large. L-A-R-G-E. Large. Let's write it on the ground. L-A-R-G-E. Large. Can you skywrite it with your eyes closed? Let's try. L-A-R-G-E. Large. What was this trick word? Large. She has a large dog. And our last trick word of the week is, what's this word? Change. She likes to change her hair. Change. Or do you have any change for the vending machine? Change. Let's skywrite it. C-H-A-N-G-E. Change. Go find a wall and let's write the word change. Here we go. C-H-A-N-G-E. Change. Let's see if you can do this again. Can you skywrite it with your eyes closed? Let's try. C-H-A-N-G-E. Change. What was this word? Change. Now, here's a quick drill. I'm just going to show it to you, and I want you to tell me what this word is. You ready? Here we go. Okay, you got it. Oh, you're so smart. Wow. Let's check to make sure that we read those words correctly. 8, large, and change. Give me a thumbs up if you got all 3 words correct. Kiss your brain, second grade Smarty. All right, and that is it for our Day 2 of Unit 7, Week 1. As always, Smarties, keep that growth mindset. Good learners do hard things, and I will see you tomorrow with another video lesson. Bye, guys, and happy learning.